You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, breathe slow.
I begin to
barefoot. Take off your shoes and step in the bed. Barefoot, barefoot. 우린 같은 온도에 있어. 푸른 이 바닷속은 얼마나 깊을까. 바다 가고 싶을 때 내가 보고 싶을 때 또 네가 많이 아플 때 이 노래를 들어줘. 절대 추운 날은 없을 거야. Cause I'll be with you. Oh. 오늘도 좋은 꿈만 꿨으면 좋겠어 baby. Barefoot, barefoot. Take off your shoes and step in the bed. Barefoot, barefoot. 우린 같은 온도에 있어. 푸른 이 바닷속은 얼마나 깊을까.
Welcome back once again. Yeah guys, just finished installing this hair and yeah, we're heading to church. When I come back guys, I want to cook. I'm not sure if I'll cook with you, I'll see guys. And I will just open this vlog, let it like this and see Uguchi what's gonna pop up during the week. So if nothing is happening during the week guys, I will end the vlog. And yeah, but for now guys, let's go to church and let me show you my OOTD. Hope you enjoy the vlog guys.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me, give me the impression that I
scratch your surface, and I could walk for days searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how. Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppets.
Hi guys, I hope you're still enjoying the vlog. I left with roasting a chicken and cooking that what do you call that salad thing, carrots, beans and whatnot guys, and then I'll be done with cooking. Thank you so much for cooking with me. Alright guys, bye.
Do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up.